Yo, so I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes now. Still haven't received an order. I don't know if everyone's still asleep or what, but usually I would have made at least $3 by now. Finally got an order. This is gonna be McDonald's, $8 going 5.5 miles. Apparently their lobby's not open yet. Not sure why, but okay.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
There you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. I got this next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, 4 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a McDonald's, $12 going 4.5 miles. I'm just gonna guess the lobby's still closed.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
No, I'm just waiting on the hash browns for that order. Can I have you up at this next window? I'll
Yeah.
get right up.
Thank you. You too. Finally got a DoorDash order. Oh, actually, make that 2. They're giving me an add-on. We've got a stacked Starbucks going to 2 different customers. I believe the total is going to be 2 miles, though. They're both really close to the restaurant, just in opposite directions. Thank you. So as I was parking to drop that one off, they gave me another Starbucks. So I think we're heading back to the restaurant and then we're picking up another one just to drop off the one that I have in my car now and then drop off the newest one. I think that's what the plan is. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure this last drop off is a no tipper. Yeah, I've been here before. Definitely a no tip. Total for those 3 orders, I think it said $11 and change. I got the next order right away, so kind of blew that off my screen, but I think that's what it said. This is Don Taco going less than 2 miles. Michael?
Aquí tiene.
Gracias.
Que lo ve.
Total for that order was just under $6 and it only took us 8 minutes. Lots of McDonald's this morning. This order is going 2.5 miles. Total for that order was $7. Next order up Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles. This one I'm gonna guess has no tip and is gonna be very, very garbage. Just a guess. Reserved for Diamond Elite only. Wow. How prestigious. Total for that one was $5, and we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 2 miles. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, I'm gonna lose it. Everyone's just in my way. There's no parking. Like, come on, man. Total for that was $6 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Jamba Juice going 5 miles. Hello. Oh, do I have to pay for this?
Are you a DoorDash?
Yeah.
Yeah, same way.
Okay.
And then what's the order?
Do you don't have it at all?
No, so you have to place the order here and then we make it.
Oh, weird.
Yeah. Not halbolata or chata or the turkey sausage. Just the peanut butter rib.
That's the only one you had, right?
That's the only one we do have.
Okay. Yeah, just that then. Yeah, that's a first. I've never had to do this for any order where I have to like actually order it myself and pay for it with a red card. Also, they didn't have 3 out of the 4 items on this, and I'm not gonna sit here waiting for them to reply. So we're just gonna give them 1 drink and they can complain to DoorDash because I'm just not gonna do that. Sorry. Thank you. Luckily, this is not a Hinted customer, so they don't get to yell at me. No tip. What? Who would have guessed? Total for that was $5. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's going just under 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Total for that order was $7. Finally got the next order. This is Voodoo Donut going just under 7 miles.
There you go, man. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Total for that order was $8 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Nectar Juice Bar going 1.5 miles. Pause the video now. Do you think I'm gonna get tipped on this one? The answer is no. Total was $3 and change. Wow. Next order just came in. This is an alcohol pickup. I believe it said it was going 5.5 miles.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. No tip on that order, but they did give me a $10 bill, which turns that order into a $15 order. So pretty good, pretty good. Current time is 10:21. Total, we are at 110. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.